What's going on, guys? It's Jordan back today with today's second video. And in today's second video, we're going to take a look at Elrond or EGLD because I've gotten tons of requests for that on my channel. So I'm really excited to bring it today. We're going to take a look at the 4-hour, the hourly, the daily, the weekly, everything we could possibly look at for EGLD today. So if you guys are new and that sounds good to you guys and you guys enjoy today's content, make sure you press that like button and subscribe if you guys are new. All right, now let's jump right on into the 4-hour chart here and not waste any time. So first of all, guys, we're going to start with our possible bearish scenario. Now, you guys know by the title that I'm bullish on EGLD going into the medium term, but short term, we could still see slightly downwards pressure. Now, let's see why. Well, starting back here, guys, you can see this top yellow line we have here. And this was our previous support back here before having our big dump to the downside when pretty much the whole crypto market decided to take a massive dump, guys. And now it's flipped as resistance once and now twice, right? So will we break that as we continue up here on this most recent pump? Will we pump back up to that and get rejected again? Now you guys can see we're pretty much just in a rising wedge, which is typically, right? Typically is a strong word here, is a bearish pattern. Now typically the breakout target for that is your first touch at the bottom of the wedge, which would put you all the way back down at $94.15. Now, do I think that is going to happen? Absolutely not. Just based off, you guys can see what I named this video in the title. But I first wanted to touch on the bearish scenario because you guys know on this channel we talk about both scenarios on what could happen if we go to the downside and to the upside. So if we go up here, get rejected again, end up breaking out of this wedge, we could see further downside action. Measure move target is $94.15, but I do not think that's going to happen, bearing more downside for crypto as a whole. So watch Bitcoin. If Bitcoin dumps, you're going to see Elrond dump as well. Now, let's jump into the daily chart. Now we're going to start getting to the meat and potatoes or the bullish scenarios here for Elrond. So you guys can see we're in this bull flag. And what we did here is we actually broke. So you guys can see we have our 20-day moving average here, which has been our support in the bull market pretty much on our whole way up. Now, if we zoom out real quick, I'll show you guys that real quick. You guys can see on our whole way up, we always come back down to this 20-day moving average and confirm it as support on our dips. We did again right here. We ended up falling through it, back testing it as resistance, and then get backing above it. And now we've tested it multiple times as support and are now finally getting that impulse back up to the upside. And you can see we were in this bull flag here on the daily time frame, back tested it as support and continued up as well. Now we haven't got that massive super green candle that we've been looking for Elrond yet, but I do think that is coming within the immediate future. You can see our measure move out of this bull flag, right, from our bottom to the bottom of the flagpole, okay, extrapolated at our breakout point, puts our measure move target out of this bull flag all the way up here towards $280 approximately is our measure move on the daily time frame for this daily bull flag that broke out about a week and a half ago. But we're still looking for that move. And why we're getting rejection on these current points that we are is pretty self-explanatory. We're going to look at that here in the next chart right here, guys, on the daily chart. You can see ever since we broke out of this bull market, bull flag resistance right here, you can see we just go up and retest our next Fibonacci. So you can see right here we were getting rejected on our 236 Fibonacci right here, and you can see we moved up again and we're getting rejected on our 382 Fibonacci right here, and then we moved up again. You can see we get rejected on our 0.5 Fibonacci right here. And now we're going up again. So we just, it's making a very stair-step pattern where we just go up and retest our Fibonacci targets each way up. And our next one is at the 0.618, which is approximately $169. So we could be going up straight to $169. No pun intended. All right, guys, don't make jokes in the comment section. Going straight up to $169 next. But ultimately, right, our target is all the way back up at our 1 Fibonacci, which is our local high, up towards $215. And you can see where our 1.618 Fibonacci, right, our golden pocket there, is about $291, which is very close. Obviously not exactly perfect to our $280 approximately bull flag breakout target eventually for Elrond. Okay, so two things that are making a lot of confluence on the Elrond dollar chart. Okay, obviously our 1.618 Fibonacci and our bull market extrapolation point puts us close to that $300 prediction that I have in the title here, and why I think it is eventually going to happen. It might not happen tomorrow. It might not happen next week. It may not happen next month, but it will happen at some point in this bull market. I'm telling you guys that right now, okay? Now, let's switch over to the 4-hour chart, and you can see on the 4-hour also, we have broken out of our inverse head and shoulders, right? We can have our left shoulder here. I mean, you could draw it all the way like this. I mean, this whole thing is really the left shoulder. You have our head, and then you had your right shoulder, and now you just broke this neckline where you got 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches, and now you're getting that massive impulse back up to the upside, guys, confirming that breakout to the upside. Now, I would like you to break this general level here to fully confirm it, as you still could get rejected at this general level where you had resistance here, and now getting resistance here. So watch for that. But if we can break this final level, which is about 164, we'll call it $165 to be safe. Our measure move target out of this is from our top of our head to our neckline would put us approximately up here towards $228 approximately. That's above our local high here, which would also set us perfect up for new all-time highs and a move up to that $200, $290, $300 levels that we've been talking about a bunch in this video. But guys, it always is possible we could pump up to the upside here. Sorry, I just had YouTube up, so that's why I clicked on it. It always could be possible here that we could go up to the upside, right? Get rejected at this pop of this wedge again, and continue back down for the bearish scenario. So do not rule that out. Make sure you guys are watching this rising wedge specifically on your charts, as our previous support turn into resistance, and you don't want it to be a resistance for a third time and can confirm a move back down to the downside, guys. All right, so that's really the quick video on Elrond today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I did want to switch it up a little bit. I'm going to be starting making new coin videos. I've been sticking to mostly the same 6 or 7 coins as of the last about the month or so. But we're going to start coming out with new coins and things like that. So if you guys enjoy that, make sure you guys tell me in the comment section. And actually, guys, leave me what altcoins you guys want me to talk about in the comment section below. The most upvoted will flow to the top, and I'll be able to make videos on those specific altcoins. So if you want your altcoins talked about, post it in the comment section below. If you already see it posted on someone else's comment, make sure you guys just like that comment so it flows up to the top, all right? So if you guys are new to the channel and end up enjoying today's content as well, make sure you smack that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll see you guys in the live stream tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure you guys come out to that. We have a great time in the live stream. Talk about tons of altcoins, every altcoin you can think about. You guys can suggest your own altcoin, and and if I see it in the chat, I'll do my own TA on it. It's just a good time and a good educational experience for everyone, including myself. So I'll see you guys over there later tonight. Peace out.